In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable background apps on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up at the top menu bar and then select System Settings. And then you want to select on the left panel where it says General. And then on the right side, scrolling down, select Login Items and Extensions. If there's any background apps or app background activity listed down here that's disabled or grayed out, just click inside the oval to toggle to the right. You may need to enter in your password in order to save, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.